Yo, what's up everyone, and namaste to all the Indian viewers here. Welcome back again. This is your African boy, myself Gabs Gabi, and today I'm going to react to Sadhguru on Prophet Muhammad. Guys, we are going to listen to Mr. Sadhguru speaking about Muhammad, and all this reaction or this video is going to be for our own knowledge and education purpose. And if you want to watch my vlogs in India, guys, check Gabs Gabi TV, and without wasting time, let's go.
When we say Islam, we talk about Muhammad. Muhammad said, whole earth is a mosque for me. Can you make a more inclusive statement than that? Please let the Muslims live by that. When we say Hindus, now they're talking about Ram. Rama is that kind of man. Out of his integrity, he gives up his kingdom. He's a coronated king, but he walks away into the forest. And his wife is stolen, terrible things are done. But when he kills his enemy who stole his wife and did terrible things to the people, he repents having killed him. So that is the man you're fighting for, don't forget. And for the leftist, let them remember all this conniving nonsense that they're doing everywhere. Even today they're continuing like this. I want to remind them, they are not progeny of Joseph Stalin or Mao Zedong. They are supposed to represent Karl Marx, who thought of an equitable society, a society without disparities, a compassionate economy which will nurture every human being. This is what he represents. Please let all three remember this. Right now this fanning of Hindu Muslims must fight, this whole thing is unfortunately not coming from Islamic community or largely from Hindu community. There are fringe elements on both sides, I'm not saying no, but largely it is coming from left-leaning extremists. What is their interest in religion? They should not even be interested in religion, but they are always playing with this. I request all of them, please understand whom you represent. You represent Muhammad, you cannot do this. If you represent Ram, you cannot do this. If you represent Karl Marx, you cannot do this.
So left-leaning extremists. Now the Prime Minister has come up with a term to describe some of them. He says that they have occupied a vast influence over the minds of this country because they are located very close to the center of power. I mean, you can call it the Latvian zone, you can call it the Khan market consensus, what have you. But do you believe these individuals have a motivated interest, or are they just ideologically driven to doing this?
See, that is what I said. Their ideology is about Karl Marx. They are motivated because, unfortunately, they have understood this. When Marx envisioned communism, he thought richest nations will go for communism because he believed out of our humanity we will become communist. But right now, they have understood only if there is poverty, there will be communism. To convert people into communism, you need endemic poverty in this nation. So they are working towards that. They must be defeated because this is not good for the country. The country is striving to progress. People are striving to fulfill their aspirations. And some people, their aspiration is based in poverty as a capital.
Very interesting, very eye-opening and interesting. Sadhguru, I want to ask you that inevitably in a court case there will be one winner and loser.
I'm telling you, they're…
Yes. No, go ahead. You were saying something. Go ahead.
No, I'm telling you how far this goes means, this is not just about temple and mosque. These same people are going about campaigning. If you plant lot of trees, it's dangerous for the country. How do you… What do you say about that?
Not dangerous.
Very interesting.
Full stop coming soon. Okay guys, so that is it. Yeah, at least I understood something, guys. I was so focused because I know, listening to Sadhguru, obviously you're going to understand something. That is only if you're not focused. So what I can say according to this video, so Sadhguru was so brief, so clear, I can say so clear and short, because nowadays it's not only in India, guys. Currently I'm in India, I'm an African student in India, but from Africa. I can say I'm from South Sudan. That is my country. So before, let me just give a brief story of my country, guys. Before, we were as Sudan as one country. So within Sudan there is Muslim, Christianity, and maybe you find people who are non-believers. I'm pretty sure they exist in Sudan also by that time, but it's not like India here, that much of diversity of religions, where you find Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Christianity, like Sikhism, sorry, you find them here, guys. So like within Sudan, like there is a lot of political, religious problem came up along from first came from I don't like speaking about politics, but it's also one of the reason, and religious problem also, because Muslim and Christianity all over the world, not only in my country, in most of other countries, guys, there is some fight going on. I believe you know that, guys. So those are among the reasons which made the Sudan to be separated into two countries, guys. So now I belong to South Sudan, and North Sudan is separate. So meaning that the North Sudan is Islamic country or Islamic nation, and South Sudan is Christianity nation. But still there you can find, like in my country South Sudan, you can find like Muslim are there, like 10% they are there, but it's no longer Islamic nation, guys. So it's the same thing which is happening in India, though India has a lot and diversity of religion, guys. So Sadhguru is trying to tell us that let's know whom we represent, where we are standing. This is what is so important. Like for example, I am not Hindu, I am not Muslim, I am Christian, right? So I should follow the Christianity. I should know what the Christianity is teaching me, and teaching how to behave with the other people. Like if in Christianity it's written, we all believe that we should not kill, right? Then why should I kill? No matter the reason. It doesn't mean that if it's against my against my religion and rule, I should kill him. That means I'm also going against my own rules and regulation of my religion, guys. So this is very important point. If you're Muslim or if you're Hindu, you should follow up and keep the faith and believe on your own religion. No need of hating. If he's Muslim, your brother or your friend is Hindu and you're Muslim, why should you hate that? There is no need. You just know where you are, and no need to take things personal, not because he is not from my same religion, then I should not work with him and I should not deal or make him my friend. That is, for me, that one doesn't work, guys. Honestly, guys, I can tell you, like I am that kind of people. Like I know where I'm standing, exactly like what Sadhguru said, guys. If you want to believe my words, you can go and watch my vlogs all over India, guys. So like if you watch my vlogs, you will think I'm a Hindu, but I'm not Hindu, guys. I'm not Hindu, I'm not Muslim, I'm Christian. So honest, but I'm always so friendly, so open. And if you watch me out, if you watch my vlog, like I don't care from which background you are, as long as you're my friend, you don't affect or you don't impact my own personality, my own belief and faith. It's okay, we'll chill together. You're my friend, you're my brother, as long as nothing is harming my religion, or as long as you don't even bring the religious things when it comes to friendship. So we are good. I am good with that, guys. So that is so clear from Sadhguru, and I like that, guys. To be no need for, I know there is some people who are like, they grew up with so many things inside them which already discourage them and create a lot of hatred, and this is what is still up to now making a lot of fight between religious and other countries, guys. So anyway, if I'm wrong, let me know. What do you think about what I said, and what is your own opinion regarding this video? Thank you so much, guys. Love from Africa. All the best to everyone, guys. Let not spread hatred, let spread love. We are all one. That is it. Love from Africa.